Good morning, everyone. Please watch this video to see how to do your homework for today. So first, go to your online classroom. Go to CLB2 Afternoon English class. Scroll down and click on Teacher Messages. Scroll down and click on Tuesday, February 2nd. So there is no Zoom class today, but you have 3 pieces of homework to do. Homework number 1 is the listening from yesterday. So click here. What you need to do, so you listen here, and then you drag the numbers 1 to 7 onto the correct picture. So you listen. Number 1. And then you drag number 1 onto the correct picture. Number 2. Number 3. And when you finish, you check your answers. Then listen to part 2 and drags the letters A, B, C, D, E onto the correct picture. Listen. You drag A onto the correct picture and drag the next one and drag all the letters. When you finished, click check. Then go back. Homework number 2. Here you practice the plural form of countable nouns. So click here. Scroll down. Click Start. Now here you can see how to make a plural form. You add S. You can listen. And you can repeat a banana, bananas. And then click on slide 3. You can listen, practice writing. Number 4. Again, you can listen, a glass, glasses. Sandwich, a sandwich, sandwiches. So you practice. Slide 5. Practice again. And then slide 6 and 7. You practice typing. So you type the plural form. Hamburger, hamburgers. Practice typing the plural form. And then check your answers. Slide 7. This is the same. So melon, melons. And finally, when you finish, click here to see your score. You can do the task again if you like, and if you click here, you can see the answers. Then go back, open number 3. Number 3, you need to answer in your notebooks, and then take a picture and send it to me. So open the file. Okay. So first, you read the text. Scroll down. So this is the shopping list. Read about Mrs. Ortez. Scroll down and then you need to answer the questions. Please on your paper write A, B, write the topic before you answer. C, D, E, F, and finish. Please finish your homework before 9 p.m. tonight and send a picture of number 3. If you have any questions, you can come to Zoom from 1 to 2 p.m. Thank you so much and have a good day.